Today, worksheet 2, question number 1. Here it is given line L parallel line M and P and Q are its transversal such that transversal P perpendicular to line L is angle 90 degree and transversal Q perpendicular to line M, this angle is 90 degree. L parallel M, P and Q are transversals such that P perpendicular L and Q perpendicular M. Now, from figure, since L parallel M and angle D is equal to angle A. L parallel M, P is transversal, so angle D is equal to angle A, corresponding angle. Also, P is perpendicular to L, this angle is 90 degree, angle D is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree and these two angles are equal corresponding angles, so angle A is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to 90 degree. Now, Q perpendicular to M, this angle is 90 degree and also this angle is 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. So from 1 and 2, angle A 90, angle B 90, angle A 90, angle B 90. Therefore, any P perpendicular M, angle A 90 degree. Q perpendicular M, angle B 90 degree. The perpendiculars on the same line are parallel to each other. Therefore, P parallel Q. Perpendiculars on the same line, perpendiculars P and Q on the same line M are parallel and P parallel Q. Question number 2. From above figure, from this figure, this angle is 90 degree, so this angle is 90 degree, linear pair. This angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, so remaining this angle is 90 degree. All four interior angles of quadrilateral ABCD is 90 degree. From above figure, we have each interior angle of the quadrilateral ABCD is 90 degree. Each interior angle of quadrilateral ABCD, angle A 90, angle B 90, angle D 90, remaining angle C 90. Each angle of quadrilateral ABCD is 90 degree. Therefore, ABCD is a rectangle. Note, ABCD is not a square. To be a square, all four sides should be equal. So, for a square, to be a square, all four sides should be equal. All four sides should be equal. Hence, ABCD is not a square. ABCD is only a rectangle. Now, question number 3. Very important question. ABC is a triangle. AD is its altitude. That means AD perpendicular BC. CQ perpendicular BC at C. Angle BAD 40 degree and angle ABP 40 degree. To prove AD parallel PB, AD parallel CQ and PB parallel CQ. Here given in triangle ABC, AD perpendicular BC, AD perpendicular BC, CQ perpendicular BC, CQ perpendicular BC, angle BAD, this angle 40 degree, angle ABP 40 degree. Now, for proof of first, since BAD is equal to ABP. BAD is equal to ABP, each 40 degree, each 40 degree. Therefore, AD parallel PB. This angle is equal to this angle. Alternate interior angles are equal. Lines be parallel. Therefore, AD parallel PB. AD parallel PB. Alternate interior angles are equal. This is why AD parallel PB. Now, for the proof of second 2, since AD perpendicular BC, AD perpendicular BC, and CQ perpendicular BC, CQ perpendicular BC, the perpendiculars on the same line are parallel. Therefore, AD parallel CQ, AD parallel CQ, perpendiculars on the same line are parallel to each other. एक ही लाइन पर जितने भी परपेंडिकुलर होंगे वो सारे परपेंडिकुलर आपस में पैरेलल होंगे. नाउ फॉर प्रूफ ऑफ थर्ड, फ्रॉम 1 AD पैरेलल PB, फ्रॉम 2 AD पैरेलल CQ, AD पैरेलल PB, AD पैरेलल CQ, देयरफॉर PB पैरेलल CQ. एक ही लाइन AD के पैरेलल PB है और एक AD के पैरेलल CQ है. एक ही लाइन के पैरेलल दो लाइन है तो ये दोनों लाइन आपस में पैरेलल होंगे. AD पैरेलल PB एंड AD पैरेलल CQ, देयरफॉर PB पैरेलल, देयरफॉर PB पैरेलल CQ. AD पैरेलल PB, AD पैरेलल CQ, देयरफॉर AB पैरेलल CQ. Why? The lines parallel to a given line are parallel to each other. It is a very important question. Now, question number 4. Given L is a line and AB is its segment. Length AB is equal to 5 centimeter. C is the midpoint. C is the midpoint. C is the midpoint of line segment AB. P and Q are perpendiculars at A and B of line segment AB. P is perpendicular at A of line segment AB. Q is the perpendicular at B of line segment AB. And R is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Since R perpendicular to AB and R passes from midpoint of AB. R, this line, passes from midpoint of AB, from C, and R perpendicular to AB. Therefore, R is known as perpendicular bisector of AB. Since P perpendicular AB, it is given. Q perpendicular AB, it is given. P perpendicular AB, it is given. P perpendicular AB, it is given. Q perpendicular AB, it is given. And R perpendicular AB, it is given. Therefore, P parallel Q parallel R. Therefore, P parallel Q parallel R. ये तीनों आपस में पैरेलल होंगे. क्यों? एक ही लाइन L पर ये तीनों परपेंडिकुलर हैं. The perpendiculars on the same line are parallel to each other. Perpendiculars on the same line are parallel to each other. Now, question number 5. Very important question. Very, very important. In figure ABC, this is the problem of question 3. AD is altitude, and AD perpendicular to BC. AD is altitude. CQ perpendicular to BC at C. Angle BAD 40 degree. Angle ABP 40 degree. And also given angle DAC, this angle 30 degree. To find remaining angles of triangle, to find all angles of triangle, here AD perpendicular in triangle ABC, AD perpendicular BC, CQ perpendicular BC, CQ perpendicular BC, angle BAD 40 degree, BAD 40 degree, angle ABP 40 degree, angle ABP, this angle 40 degree, and angle DAC 30 degree, DAC, this angle 30 degree. Here, angle BAD is equal to angle ABP. BAD is equal to ABP, each 40 degree. It is given. Therefore, AD parallel PB. Therefore, AD parallel PB. Why? That this angle is equal to this angle. Alternate interior angles are equal. Lines be parallel. Hence, angle PBC is equal to ADC. Hence, angle PBC, this angle, is equal to ADC, this angle. This angle is 90 degrees, so this angle is 90 degrees. Yeah, why? It is corresponding angle, corresponding angles. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle PBC minus angle ABP. PBC minus angle ABP. PBC 90 degree minus ABC given 40 degree. So 90 minus 40, 50 degree. So this angle is 50 degree. Now angle BAC, angle A, BAC is equal to BAD plus DAC. BAD plus DAC, that is equal to BAC. This angle. BAD 40 degree plus DAC, it is given 30 degree, so 40 plus 30 is equal to 70 degree. This angle is 70 degree. Now in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. It is called sum angle property of triangle. Angle A, it is here 70 degree. Angle B here 50 degree. Plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. 70 plus 50, 120. Take it to right side. The angle C is equal to 180 minus 120, 60 degree. Hence, angle A is equal to 70 degree, angle B is equal to 50 degree, and angle C is equal to 60 degree. Thank you.